Hello, this is another example from the 2010 AMC 10 Prep Book Volume 1. The lengths of three sides of a right triangle are all integers. One of the legs has length 13. What is the perimeter of the triangle? Okay, so this question, if you just read this, sounds impossible to solve. I only know what one of the legs are. Normally you know what two of them are, and then you find the third. And then you just add up all those three to find the perimeter. But in this case, I'm going to do it only having one of the lengths, which is really cool. So I'm going to start off by drawing my right triangle with a length 13. I'll call this length K and this length X. So the Pythagorean theorem basically says this. Now, we need to somehow get from this, be able to find an equation that will have us solve for x and k, or at least the values of them added up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say k squared minus x squared is equal to 13 squared. Now, the reason I did this is because the way that we're going to solve this is by factoring it. Because now this can be factored into k minus x times k plus x is equal to 13 squared is 169. Okay, so important thing to note about 169 is that it is its only factors are 13, 13, 1, and 169. So we also know that since they're integer lengths, they're positive integer lengths, they have to be positive, that k plus x is greater than k minus x. So k plus x has to equal 13 squared, or 169, and then k minus x has to equal 1. Now, we know that they can't be 13 and 13, because then x would have to be 0. So those two don't work. So now from here, you can just do a little bit of, I believe it's elimination. Then you find out that 2k is equal to 170, which means that k is equal to 85. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, 85 minus x is equal to 1. I can move this x over here, this over here, or just move that over there and then multiply by minus 1. All the same stuff. 84 is equal to x. Okay. And then we knew that we had 13 for the other length. So now all I have to do is add 85, 84, 13. Okay, this is 9, this is 12, 16, 17, 18. So the answer is 182. Now this is pretty crazy. When I first saw this, it's like, wow, who knew that you were able to do this cool stuff? I thought that it was like an impossible problem. Anyways, thanks for watching and goodbye.